Sorry guys, things aren't working out for me. Everything I want, I'm not getting. Maybe there's things you want that you're not getting either. I'll show you what I'm doing. Let's get into it.
It's Purdy Jenkins. 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 It's Purdy.
Jimmy, ever wonder how to not manifest anything that you want? Oh, absolutely. I'm an expert at not manifesting. What's the first step? Tip 1, doubt everything's. The more you doubt, the less chance anything good will happen. Just keep telling yourself, and you out there too, this will never work. Nevers. That's my mantra. I'm never getting that raise. I'm never getting that pizza. Works every time. Tip 2, focus, and you too, Jimmy, on what you don't want. Instead of focusing on that dream car, imagine your current rust bucket breaking down. The universe loves confusion. I think the YouTube algorithm does too. And I know Bob does. He's always confused. There's a confusion for his head. I'm picturing flat tires and smoke coming from that engine. Perfect anti-manifestation. And tip 3, don't take any action at all. Just sit back, relax, and do nothing. Do no thing in the whole world. Like that guy over there, you know his name. Just wait for things to magically appear. Or not. I'm so good at this one. 0 effort, 0 results. Tip 4, be impatient. Want it now? Demand it now. Then get frustrated when it doesn't show up instantly. Why isn't my dream mansion here yet? That'll keep it away for sure. And tip 5, and that's the best one at all. Surround yourself with negativity and negative people, which I do every day with that guy over there, B.O.B. He should add another 0 to his name, or O, whatever the hell it's called. Complain, worry, and stress. Make sure you're in the worst mood possible. Nothing good ever happens when you're grumpy. Here's to not manifesting anything at all. Cheers to staying exactly where we are.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe. I'm Purdy Jenkins. Who am I again? Purdy Jenkins. And don't you forget it!
Hey, are you still here? You're still watching? I got lots of donuts here. I bet you want to take one and put it in your mouth. Well, I don't want you to. All I want you to is to finger that subscribe button and to finger the like button. But don't finger my donut hole. Those are mine. I'm going to eat them. Today's Saturday. Stay away from my donuts. Now goodbye. Get out of here. I gotta go.